Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video you will learn how to fix the Flash Player is not longer supported issue on Google Chrome. So let us get started right away. So as you can see guys, here on Google Chrome I'm getting that notification here indicating that the Flash Player is no longer supported. So there's a simple trick you may apply here to overcome this and to play Flash Player content like that here. All you will need to do guys is simply click on these three dots in the top right corner here in your home screen on Google Chrome and select settings to access your browser settings. And inside your browser settings, pay attention to that panel on the left hand side and select extension here at the bottom of it. That is going to redirect you to the library of installed and running extensions in your Google Chrome. So you will need to head over to the Chrome Web Store to install the Flash Player extension. To do that, click on Chrome Web Store here on the left hand side. And here in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top and type in something like Flash Player, for example, and pick one of these entries below. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to enable and install that Flash Player extension here, Flash Player for the web. Click on it. After that, select Add to Chrome here to the right. Give the given extension the permission to be installed. Wait for a brief moment, and there you go. As you can see, now the extension has been successfully installed. And that should fix the issue, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.